how to buy ORBAI token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's on pre-sale. So if you click on the official website from here, as you can see, you'll be able to see this page. What you need to do is easy and simple, connect your wallet. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see this message here. So you need to buy the minimum amount. You can increase the quantity below. So as you can see, you can increase this, as you can see. So click on update. Now after that, click on pay here, and you will be able to find your wallet that you want to connect. So click on your wallet. So after that, click on connect. So what you need to do after that, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, not enough funds. So I don't have enough funds on my wallet. So in your case, as you can see, please make sure you have enough funds on one of the following blockchain. You need to have funds of these tokens, Ethereum or Solana, to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy OurBI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next.